Audit of financial statements, SAE 18. Financial statement audited by the auditor is in accordance with the standard of auditing and from which the summary of financial statements are derived. So, summary of financial statement is derived from which the financial statement audited by the auditor according to standard auditing. So, there is a two difference: audited financial statement and unaudited financial statement. Audited financial statement is something the auditor has verified and he's giving a report and as per the standard of auditing. Another thing is unaudited. So there is a two difference like audited financial statement or unaudited financial statement. The audited financial statement, everything is being checked. Every assets, current liability, non-current liability, equity, everything is being gone through the auditor, and unaudited is something different. But the auditor statement is how we know is the auditor will give a report. The report will state that we have seen everything, and as per the standard of auditing, as per the Companies Act regulations, companies, and they have followed this income tax regulation. They have followed it. They have paid tax properly. GS regulation. They have followed it. They have received the tax. They have paid it on time and promptly. If our TDS has been deducted and they've been paid properly, if there is a liability, this much liability that have been paid, everything will be said in that statement. Okay.